This newscast is brought to you by Lavo.
A team of engineers at Apple has developed an AI-based model called Depth Pro that can map the depth of a 2D image. Humans and other animals are able to perceive depth because the brain is able to take two images, one from each eye, and use the differences between them to figure out which parts of the images are closer and which are more distant. Some video cameras have done something similar to create 3D videos. The engineers at Apple have created an entire depth map using data from the original image without resorting to use of metadata such as camera intrinsics. The team at Apple claims that apps using the model are capable of producing a depth map in just 300 milliseconds when run on a computer with a standard GPU, and it can do so without the types of camera data that are usually needed to generate 3D effects.
The Nippon Telegraph and Telephone Public Corporation (NTT) has introduced a cutting-edge technology that converts HDMI signals into long-distance transmission signals with the world's lowest latency, less than 0.1 milliseconds. This development allows for real-time communication and ultra-fast video transmission in 4K 120 frames per second and Full HD 240 frames per second formats, creating an experience where people in remote locations feel as though they are in the same space. By integrating this innovation with NTT's IOWN All-Photonics network, the technology ensures low latency, high-definition video and audio transmission without the usual delays or quality loss associated with traditional IP networks. This advancement is particularly relevant for use cases requiring real-time interaction, such as remote collaboration, virtual and augmented reality applications.
First announced about a month ago, the new Sony ECM-L1 lavalier microphone is now officially launched. It is designed to meet the reliability and quality demands of professional use, based on Sony's time-tested audio technology. The 3.5mm mini plug supports plug-in power for broad compatibility, along with a capsule optimized for clear voice pickup. The ECM-L1's capsule is based on the widely trusted ECM-77 series, which has been a go-to choice for sound professionals, along with Sony's other pro audio products. With the pedigree of a trusted microphone for professional broadcasters in both studios and on location, the ECM-L1 is designed to deliver professional results to a diverse range of creators. The microphone capsule is enclosed in a highly robust brass housing that resists deformation, protecting the microphone from damage even under the rigors of on-location use.
Samsung has announced a significant expansion of its One UI interface with the first-ever update for smart TVs. New 2024 models will now come with One UI, while a download will bring 2023 sets into the fold. One UI has previously been present on mobile and tablet devices. The software sits on top of the Android operating system. The first model to receive the One UI update, based on Tizen 8.0, will be the S90C OLED TV, with other models set to follow. The manufacturer has promised that any One TV model will continue to receive support for another 7 years, the same as with its range of Galaxy smartphones.
After more than a decade since the release of the Fujifilm X-M1, the company is bringing the series back with the new X-M5, which targets video-minded creators. The X-M5 inherits many features from modern, vlogging-oriented mirrorless cams. It has no viewfinder, relying solely on a touchscreen for composition and monitoring. It includes 3 microphones for clearer audio than basic digital cameras and captures video at 4K 60 frames per second in a 16:9 aspect ratio, or 4K 30 frames per second in 3:2 format. The camera can also capture still images and is based on the 26.2 megapixel BSI CMOS X-Trans sensor. The camera's body is quite small due to the absence of a viewfinder. It also includes a dedicated vlogging mode to help creators get better-looking video without diving deep into settings. Additionally, it includes a mode to record short vertical clips in a 9:16 format. The X-M5 features Fuji's popular film simulation engine with 20 analog look presets that work for both photos and videos, and includes a dedicated dial to cycle through them.
Chyron will exhibit at the Broadcast India 2024 Expo, taking place in Mumbai from October 17th to 19th, where the company will showcase its latest innovations in broadcast technology. Groundbreaking enhancements across the Chyron portfolio will be unveiled, including updates to the company's newsroom workflows. Key highlights include significant platform overhauls in Cameo, Chyron's cutting-edge graphics asset management and newsroom integration system, which can drive graphics, video walls, virtual sets, and even weather segments. Also on display will be the newly evolved Prime Platform 5.0, among other innovations.
This newscast is brought to you by Lavo.